What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is Police Teach Mother and Son Duo They're Not Above the Law. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On April 13th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle driving without its headlights on.
Hey, how are you doing, ma'am?
Fine.
I'm Officer Lewis with the City of Fairmont. The reason I pulled you over is you don't have your headlights on.
What?
And also, where's your tag at?
Someone had stole it, my whole thing off, so I had to put it in the back right there. See it in the window?
Okay. You got your ID on you by any chance?
Door number 1.
Bo, Miss Clark, you still better talk to me for a quick second. You not need to
come here?
Yeah. You're not in any trouble or anything like that. So you're not in any trouble or anything like that. You had anything to drink tonight?
Ginger ale.
Ginger ale, no alcohol, nothing like that? Okay. So I'm trying to figure out why you didn't have your headlights on. Usually when people don't have their headlights on after midnight, it's because they're impaired.
I promise you I'm not. You can smell my breath. But I'm blind as a bat, so.
You're blind as a bat, okay.
Yeah.
Should you be driving at nighttime?
I really shouldn't be. I have my glasses, but I am like, I can't see at all.
Is there any marijuana in that car?
No, I don't have any.
Have y'all been around any recently, like in the last couple hours?
I've been around. I mean, we were.
Some coming from the car.
Yeah, we were hanging out, but I haven't smoked any.
No, y'all haven't smoked any
No,
marijuana?
and he hasn't smoked either.
Okay. Well, just give me 1 second. Just want to check and make sure you're safe to drive right quick. So just give me 1 second.
Okay.
Like I said, when you still ain't turned your headlights on, they're still off. But,
now look, I will tell you, I've only had this car 4 months, so I'm kind of still getting used to it.
Yeah, just give me 1 second, okay? I know.
Having a car 4 months, what the hell does that have to do with turning your headlights on? Now, if it's during the day, or even evening time, maybe the sun going down or whatever, like, okay, oops, you probably really wouldn't notice it. But when it's nighttime like this, you're going to notice that you ain't got your headlights on, okay? You can't see.
Face me. You said you haven't had anything to drink. You haven't had anything to drink tonight?
No, I haven't even eaten dinner.
Okay. If you don't mind, I want to do a couple field sobriety evaluations just to make sure you are safe to drive, if that's okay.
Okay.
How old are you?
56.
56, okay.
56 or 57, one or the other.
You said you wear glasses?
I do, they're in the car.
They're not reading glasses, they're like actual prescription glasses?
They're prescription, I can't see far. And I got night vision blindness.
Do you wear contacts or anything like
that?
I don't. Okay. Well, this is what I want you to do, if you don't mind. I want you to stand with your feet together and your hands down by your side, okay? My light's going to be a little bit in your eyes, but I'm going to dim it for you.
Okay.
So do you see the top of this pen right here? What I want you to do, I want you to keep your head still and with your eyes only. I am
freezing.
Okay, I'm going to get this done as fast as I can. But with your head still and with your eyes only, I want you to follow the top of this pen. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You said y'all were just around some marijuana? Like, was it at the house that y'all were at, or? Because here's what's going to happen. I'm going to search the vehicle, and if I find any marijuana in it, I'm going to charge whoever's in it. So this is your chance to be honest with me. If there's a little bit of marijuana in the car, I'll work with you on it, okay? But if you say no and I search it and I find it.
I mean, I don't smoke weed on the regular. I mean, rolled a blunt, but that was it.
But did he hide anything in his pockets when he was doing all that moving around? I mean, be honest with me. I'm going to get him out here in a second. I'm going to check him as well. So if there's any marijuana, y'all just be honest with me and I'll help y'all. I'll work with y'all on this, okay? So is there any in the car?
Why, what's that going to do? Like, if there's marijuana?
Well, I explained it to you. Like I said, if there's a little bit of marijuana in there and you tell me there's marijuana in the car, I'll work with you guys.
Work with us how?
As in, as long as it's not felony, I'm not going to charge you with it.
What's a felony?
Anything an ounce or more.
An ounce or more?
So if you got like just a little bit of bullshit marijuana, All I'm gonna do.
It's just bullshit marijuana.
Okay, where's it at?
I really don't know. I mean, it's a blunt.
Yeah, just get you to stand out there for me. I'm gonna check him because he was. Hey, my man, get you to step out for a quick second. I'm gonna ask you this same thing I asked her. Any marijuana in this car?
No, sir.
Were y'all hiding any? Because when I pulled up, y'all were moving around a lot in that car and y'all continued to do it. Did you shove any in your pocket? Or down in your pants or anything like that? If you did, just go ahead and let me know, pull it out, and I can work with you on it, okay? Did you shove any inside your pants?
I have some little bit in my pants.
And just put it right here for me, my man.
Okay.
And so I ain't dumb. When I see y'all moving around inside these cars, I know what y'all are doing. What, did you stick it all the way down inside your underwear?
Yeah.
Just put it right. Anything else?
No, sir.
All right. Do you have any knives or guns or anything like that on you?
No, sir.
You mind if I check just to make sure before I put you back there? You got any more weed in your pocket or in your pants?
No, sir.
Nothing else stuffed in there? Mind if I check you real quick?
Do I have to?
I mean, here's the deal, my man. You just pulled out weed right there. So I can search you now. I'm just trying to give you the option. If you got a little bit more, let me know. Let's go ahead and pull it out.
I have no weed.
All right. Do me a favor. Put your hands on the car. Is this money right here?
Yeah.
All right. And pull it out and let you hold it, okay? Spread your legs for me. Spread them a little wider. Spread your legs a little wider. Spread your legs. What's this right here, my man? Get on the ground!
Come on, son. Fucking idiot, bro. You can't make it up. You can't make it up. Idiot, bro. He giving you the chance to just be honest. You gonna get patted down regardless. Like, and then it's a red flag when everybody know the procedure. Like, whether you been frisked before or not, you know what I'm saying? You've seen enough TV, you know, it's either gonna be hands on top of either the wall or whatever you got there, or it's gonna be interlock your fingers or whatever, or they might cuff you, whatever the case may be. But you have to widen your stance. Okay, they have you widen your stance so that way, because when your stance is close together, whatever you got stuck is, is better to clinch it. Widen your stance. You know what I'm saying? So by him not widening his stance, he already know. He like, open your legs, wider. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Do he look like a rookie?
Spread your legs a little wider. Spread your legs. What's this right here, my man?
Now they gonna have to get you together.
Bushline, black belt, red, blue jeans, white
Choo! Face
Get on
first.
your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Got your ass
On your
right.
stomach.
Now they gonna get you together. They hate running now.
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay, taste again. You better drop slowly.
radio release traffic.
Yeah. He thought he could run from the old timers. They hit him with that taser. Got him.
What you got?
Got his ass
what else
right.
You got in you, man?
That was stupid.
Roll over on your side. Well, that's because you got tased, and you just.
That boy dropped like a sack of potatoes. Face first. Bow. Oh.
Because you ran from me, you idiot.
I'm with my mom. Why'd you do me like that?
Because you're an idiot. Shut up. Stupid ass.
Told me to go to the other side.
You stupid ass. You deserve everything you just got right there.
Why? What did I do?
Because you're a goddamn idiot.
Ryan, what you y'all pulled me over for nothing. I didn't.
You in the passenger seat,
I'm
you're
traumatized.
stuffing shit in your pants.
I'm traumatized.
Yes.
You see how the officer tone completely changed, boy. They hate running, boy. If you make them run, they gonna get your ass right, boy.
Females in the back of whoever car this one is.
What did I do?
Fucking ran, so now you're going to jail, you stupid mother.
Yo, I didn't do anything.
Lean on this
Told you.
car.
Spread your feet.
Look at this one.
I have nothing. I have nothing, sir. That's just traumatized. I just got out of prison.
You a fucking idiot. Shut up.
Thank you, traumatized.
Ain't nothing worse than somebody. You're so fucking stupid. Miss Clark.
Yes.
All right, so he's going to jail. He lied to me about who he is. He ran. You knew who he was, and you knew.
I didn't know he had. Well, I don't know why he ran. All I
Okay,
know
well.
about was a blunt.
Well, he's going to jail because he ran from me. He has 2 warrants, one out of Coweta, one out of Heard County. And he had that bullshit Weatherman you talked about. If he'd have just told me that and gave it to me and not ran,
Yeah. Why did he run?
because he got warrants. So
Well, I will tell you this though. Dre is a good kid.
he just does stupid shit, man.
Yeah, he's been on the.
He's a good kid, model citizen. You know how that go. Listen, we know how it's gonna go. This is how it always happens. A kid may may die or whatever the case may be. Something may happen. Then you got the parents on the news. Oh, he was a good kid. He volunteered in the community. This and that. And then in reality, this motherfucker terrorizing the community, okay? This motherfucker terrorizing the community. But of course, you know, your mom and dad and family can't say that. You know what I'm saying? So this is the typical, mother response or whatever. He just got out of jail, yada, yada, yada. But she gonna turn around and say, he got multiple warrants, this, that, but she gonna sit here and say, he's a good kid, model citizen. Watch. All right, here we go. Watch. Here we go with the bullshit. Can we be honest here for a second? This motherfucker terrorizing the community.
So
Well, I will tell you this though. Dre is a good kid.
he just does stupid shit, man.
Yeah, he's been on his own since he was 15.
Yeah.
His dad's been in jail. His mom's been in jail. I've just been a surrogate mother to Dre.
Well, I appreciate you being the surrogate
Trying
mother.
to be.
I appreciate you being that surrogate mother to him, but I mean, he can't do stuff like it. Sometimes you just gotta man up and take the lick that comes at you.
The man was charged with drug possession and resisting arrest, as well as booked for his multiple warrants. Thanks for watching today's
Multiple warrants. Not one, multiple. But he's a model citizen, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna give this officer, man. I give him 4 out of 5, man. Did a pretty good job. You know what? Yeah, 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. Very satisfied. Let me know in the comment section below what you rate, how well these officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.